listen to me now, sir. You see, right now, I'm fed up and me not gonna tell you something why you no more because you don't have a choice. Right now, me and you dead. We dead like we official. And you listen to me.
I will sniff a 20 bag of coke and murder your blood clot.
Come on for this. Land the lights in me. Don't come back a blood clot. Someone. Go suck your mother. Long and lasting. Go suck your blood clot, mother. Don't come back a blood clot. I'm afraid of Batman. I am afraid of Batman. I am afraid of Batman. Batman no good. Batman is an evil Batman. Batman is as Judas.
Eh?
No.
You not cheat on me.
Tell him some not cheat, no?
No, she not really up on the cheating thing, you know.
No really?
Not cheat.
She not cheat. She not cheat.
No really? So why you say no really? Why you say no really?
About reality, the movie them when you see she up on.
Tell him some not
About reality.
Tell him some
You know
not
about
cheat.
reality different from reality. It's near reality, but it's not reality.
Tell him some not cheat,
Baby,
no?
baby.
Salamite girl, don't do that. You're rude. Enough. Get away.
Congratulate pregnant uncle.
And your big hole, and your big hole, and your big blood clot hole.
This is some bullshit, even. This can feed a whole family. And you're gonna eat this bumper clad thing. With 3 pussy clad thing there. That is some Stephen. We can't support you no more. No. Get the out of the house. Look on the bumper clad plate of egg. How much egg you fry?
6.
6 bumper ass clad pussy bumper blood clad egg. 6 blood clad egg dog. You ever work in a day in a bumper clad life? You name 6 egg. You know what we can feed by 6 egg? Huh? We can make a dinner for people. A big dinner for like a whole family. 6 egg. And how much bumper clad bacon? That come like 100 pieces of pussy clad bacon. And you top it off with 3 bumper clad egg. And you call that breakfast? No. No, this is it. Me not do this no more. No, Stephen, me can't do this no more. When you done yam the fucking breakfast, move out.
You gotta put the phone for me. Them not stop. That big blood clot dead old girl, she not stop coming and asking for blood clot. I'm gonna look upon the blood clot. I'm telling the girl not put up food upon my blood clot. She still a put food upon my pussy clot. Me don't know the girl from nowhere. I told you from other day that I give you a chicken. I am living in Crossroad here. Link me. Link who you talk to. Me don't want them from you. Me don't want to go back a chicken. Me don't want them from you. Me don't want no blood clan come here, so. You hear me? I tell you, no come here, so.